Tuesday, everybody. I'm Stacey Jane. This is my studio. Welcome to day 2 of my week in a month in my studio. So what did I do yesterday? I did a lot of hemming yesterday. I did a narrow hem on a dress that's right behind me. Okie dokie. So I got a phone call. Some incoming work at 3 o'clock. So I was talking about this dress that I hemmed yesterday. I spent one would say the whole day hemming this particular dress. It's got a narrow hem on it. So I wanted to replicate that because that's what the dress is. I have so much fun doing these. So this is how big it is. So it's 1.5, 3, 4.5, 5 meters. No, probably 5.5 meters of hem just on the outside. So yeah. So I did that yesterday. I had a client come yesterday too, lovely new lady, a new client I should say, and so I did that. Saw her yesterday, stopped for some lunch, which is good, just take some time out and stop for some lunch. And what else did I do yesterday? Had Victoria home. She was studying. She's got an exam tomorrow, philosophy I think. I don't know, crazy. Today I'm going to continue on with that dress. I have a velvet burgundy dress again for another student of this high school, college, depends what college you're in, what country you're in. In Australia we used to call it high school. I don't know if we still do. Let me know if it's still called high school. In New Zealand it's called college. And then you go to uni. So that's what I've got today. Speaking of today I'm wearing the bee blouse. I'll pop a picture of me up there. Bee blouse, and I've got on my drop waist skirt with the flowers all over it. This was a bit of a hack. It was on one of my Wheel of Fate's fabrics. Was it? No. I just wanted to use it. It looks like denim. It is not denim. It is a nice thick cotton fabric. I can do that close because you can't see up the skirt, but it wasn't wide enough, was it? I'm going to double check and let you know up here. These mostly won't be edited, so I'm sorry, because if I do one a day then it's going to be quite the editing saga for the night, so that won't be edited. I'm just going to let the dog out, the big one this time. She's standing at the door, ready to go out. Okay, out. And so I'm not going to edit much out of it, if anything. Yeah. So Mum's coming over. Excuse me. I'm trialing this stuff because I've got really thin lips. So I'm trialing the stuff that makes your lips look plumper. And it's like chili is on your lips. So I put it on and give Mr. Christopher a kiss goodbye. Oh, it's so mean. He went to kiss me this morning. He goes, have you got that stuff on your lips? And I said, no, darling, I haven't showered yet. Yeah, he had to go to work early, which is unusual. So he was up with the birds. Actually, he wasn't up with the birds. I was up with the birds this morning. I tried to wake him up a few times, but he said, I've still got some time. He does like to lay in the morning. So yeah, I've got the stuff on my lips and it's like hot. Mum's coming this morning for a sit-down chat tea actually, because Mum doesn't drink coffee, and I think the other princess wants out. One sec. Cup of tea, and then I think she's going to give me something to type up and to print off, because I'm a touch typist. I learned that at school, and I'll type up this report thing, or this particular thing she wants me to type up and print it off because I have a printer. So yay me. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing today. I'm going to finish off my yellow. This is the colour of the season, yellow. So this is my second yellow dress, and I've had a gold dress. I think I told you yesterday. Anyway, but this particular burgundy dress, it is actually, it reminds me of a dress I wore to a ball at RAF Base Richmond when I was in the Air Force, and it's the same colour. It's almost the same style. goes around, comes around. As long as the big bouffant here does not come back and the massive shoulder pads don't come back. Speaking of shoulder pads, I did not actually even press my coat yesterday. I was too busy marking, folding, rolling, and then hemming that yellow dress. The pile behind me hasn't been touched. Got a couple of more things added. That was from my lovely Jenny and Charlie. That came yesterday. And, of course, Jess and her maroon dress, which is easy because it's only cover stitched on both layers. But yeah, I can't believe when she booked out with it, I went, that is so like this particular dress I wore in the early 90s. Yes. It was the very early 90s actually, because I was dating Bradley. Now I'll just throw Mum back into a time and a place. So yeah, so that's what today is. I have the heaters on. It's not as cold today, which is really cool, but the weather doesn't look too sunny. But I'm okay. I'm inside. I'm not going anywhere today. Getting some pants dropped off at 3. That's what my phone call was about for Parliament. And yeah, I guess I should just sit down, start this, wait for Mum to come, have a chat, have a cup of tea, go on with my day. So that's today. So I quite like the skirt. I think it's just so bright and colourful. Yeah. I've been talking to my friend Stacey. Yes, I have a friend called Stacey. Do you know how many Staceys are down here in Upper Hutt? A lot. Same with twinage. There's a lot of twins down here as well. Things you notice when, it's got to do with you. Like Stacey is my name. And I had twins. Stacey didn't have twins, but yeah. So it was really good. I just, every now and then, we just get on the blower. She's like a baby sister, because she is like a little bit younger than me. A little bit longer, a little bit more than a little. So yeah, so it's really good having a catch up with her. And that's me. It's like a nice and fast one. Yesterday I was sort of just really, really fully catching up with you guys. My lips are burning. So I'm going to go. I'm going to get these dresses done, and so I can roll on. I've got a wedding dress I want to get sorted. I want to get done within the next 2 weeks. I want it out of the store. And yeah, and then start with my pile of stuff over there. I want to work on my fabric wheel of fate, which is just pausing my life because of it. I think it's going to look pretty when I've done it. It's just getting it done. That seems to be the problem. Yeah, that's me. Okay, stay well, stay warm, stay dry, keep cool, keep on sewing. Hydrate. Have no regrets. I'm looking at that dress. And save face if you're in the summer months. Okay, take care, bye.
Subscribe, like, and share, just to let me know that you care.